Hi everyone, thank you for joining me again. We're going to make a bit of pumpkin risotto with bacon today. Okay, so I've just looked up pumpkin risotto with bacon on Cookie Do. Let's start cooking. 40 grams of Parmesan cheese, and then you can chop that up 10 seconds at speed 9. I've got a bit left from yesterday, so I'm just going to use that already chopped up Parmesan. Transfer into bowl, set aside, and then we're going to put 500 grams of water into our bowl. Just stir. Close enough. Insert the simmering basket. And then we're going to weigh in our pumpkin. So I've already just weighed in my chopped up pumpkin into the bowl. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Go. 2 pinches of ground pepper. Put on your lid. And then 15 minutes on Varoma, speed 1. Just going to steam the pumpkin until it's nice and soft. Okay, so the pumpkin is now steamed. Okay, so we're going to transfer the pumpkin into a bowl and set aside. You can just hook your spatula into your steaming basket. If you want to, you can rest it there so it can drip. We're just going to place it, set it aside. Discard the water. Clean and dry mixing bowl. Next, we're going to put, so we can't do onions. I'm just going to add some celery. Add our measuring cup. And chop that up for 5 seconds. All nicely chopped up. Scrape down the sides. That would be your onion. Now we're going to add 100 grams of bacon cut into pieces and 40 grams of butter. Add your measuring cup and cook that for 5 minutes. Now we're going to add some arborio rice. The butter, bacon and celery smells amazing. You can imagine what it would smell like. Okay, let's try that again. You can just imagine what it smells like. And if you had onion in here, the smell you would get. Okay, 320 grams of arborio rice. So handy how it weighs while you pour. Right. Now we're going to put the simmering basket instead of the measuring cup in the lid so that some of the steam can escape. Cook that for 3 minutes. Now we're going to add some dry white wine. Remember to stir. As little or as much as you like. No judgment here. Put our simmering basket back on, and then another minute. We're going to add water. Oops, slightly over. A tablespoon of vegetable stock paste. So I've made this before in the Thermomix. So yummy to add flavour. And a bit of salt to taste. My vegetable stock paste is quite salty. I'll add salt later. Scrape the bottom of the mixing bowl. That's just to loosen any of the rice grains if it got stuck to the bottom. And now place the simmering basket on top. And cook another 8 minutes. Now we're going to add our reserved pumpkin. Frozen peas, if you can have peas. And then we're going to add our measuring cup and do another 5 minutes. And then we can eat. Now we're going to leave the risotto to rest in a bowl for a minute and then transfer into a thermo server or another large bowl. Add your parmesan, combine and enjoy. The rice will still absorb some of this moisture. It's just got to stand another 5 to 10 minutes before you serve. If you want to earn yourself a thermo server, contact me and we can do a cooking experience. You can add the parmesan and stir it through, or you can add it on top when serving. There we go, yummy pumpkin and bacon risotto with a bit of parmesan on top. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. If you liked what I did, please remember to like, subscribe and add some comments. What would you like me to cook next?
No, maybe not that. Maybe not that low.
Just short now.
How low can you go? Do a different pose.